Good morning everyone. Good morning. I'm fine. How are you? How are you? Hope you all are fine. Yes. So how was your EVS exam? This is your EVS class. So how are your EVS exam? Everyone answered it properly in EVS? Very good. And how was question? Isn't so easy? Yes. So, if after your exam, after the chapter Let's Celebrate, we completed the world of plants, world of animals and means of transport. This chapter hope you all saw in your YouTube videos. The means of transport which we already completed and its text and exercise part both we completed. Hope you all saw this. Very good. Yes, it's too easy. Yes. As I already told you that two chapters, My School and Pupil at Work, those two chapters make it cross. It won't be held in your exam, in any exam. So, hope you all crossed it previously, the Pupil at Work and My School. So, after it, today we have to start the new chapter In the Sky. Okay. So, your chapter In the Sky. So, everyone take your book and open the page number 82. In the Sky, page number 82. Okay, so let's start. In the sky, here one boy is saying something. So you have to say this with me also. So let's start. I see the moon. You know about the moon, right? What is the meaning of moon? So I see the moon. The moon sees me. As you see anything, that also sees you as reflective. So I see the moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless me. Okay? So repeat it with me. Have you repeated with me that I see the moon sees me. I see the moon sees me. God bless the moon and God bless me. Okay? So, here we have to learn in this chapter In the Sky that which things are in the sky. That things we have to know. So let's see. The sky above us looks blue on a clear day. As we all know, what is the color of sky? So tell me, what is the color of sky? Tell me fast. What is the color of sky? Yes, it's blue. So when we see in a clear sky, it is blue. It is blue. So the sky above us looks blue on the clear day. We can see different things in the sky, isn't it? If we if we see in the sky, we see many things, different things in the sky. So which things we can see in the daytime? Anyone know this? Now it's daytime. So if you are now seeing in the sky, which things you can see now? Just see by window or by the door, you can see in the sky and tell me which things you are now seeing. Yes, so you are seeing now sun. Very good. So, in the daytime, we can see, yes, sun. Some of you answer me that you are now seeing sun, and others tell me which things you are now seeing. Only some of you answered me that is sun, but others are not telling me till now. Yes, Mahian answered me. Bithika, the question is, as it is daytime, so which things you can see in the sky? Which things? Now it's your daytime, so if you look at the sky, and now looking at the sky and tell me which things you are now seeing. Yes, so that is sun. That is sun. We can see in the daytime. So we can see the sun in the sky during the day. Are we can see the sun in at the night sky? Tell me. Can you see the sun at night sky? No, we can see only moon and stars. Very good, very good. We can see only moon and stars. So, if we discussed about sun, we all can see that sun is look like ball. Isn't it? Sun is looking like ball, like that. That is sun, and it's look like ball. It's a huge ball of fire. Huge ball of fire. You know about the fire, right? And it's almost firing, and it's always firing, so it's a huge ball of fire. It's very hot. At its fire, you know, fire is very hot. You know this. So that's why I told you that don't open the gas, don't light the fire alone. These things I almost told you. So that's why it's very hot. That's why I told you it gives us heat and light. So sun gives us heat and light. So which things we can get from sun? Which things is heat and light? We get heat and light from sun, or sun gives us heat and light. Okay? Next, you can, if you go about the night sky, you already told me that we can't see sun at the night sky. We can see only moon and stars. Moon and stars. Okay, so sometimes we see cloud during the day. Sometimes we see cloud during the day. Dark clouds bring rain. Dark clouds bring rain. Sometimes we see a lovely rainbow in the sky, and rainbow has 7 colors. So, if we notice every time, sometimes mainly rainy season, you know, you just learn that in rainy season the rain falling so much time outside of our house, right? So that time we see the cloud. If we draw it, the cloud look like this. So if it will be dark, it will be dark. I am now dark it. It will be dark. It make rain. It is making rain. So dark cloud brings rain. That is rain, and dark cloud brings rain. Sometimes we see lovely rainbow in the sky. Naturally, we can see rainbow in the evening time or afternoon time, and it maximum in rainy season. So, rainbow we can see rainy season at afternoon time maximumly. So, we see a lovely rainbow in the sky, and rainbow has how many colors rainbow has? Do you know how many colors? Yes, Rishan already gave the answer, and others? Tell me. 7. Yes, very good. So, rainbow has 7 colors. Rainbow has 7 colors. So, do you know the colors of rainbow? Can anyone tell me what's the color of rainbow? Yes, it's also Vibgyor, but tell me in full form. What is V, what is I, what is B, what is G, what is Y, what is O, what is R. So, there are as 7 colors, you will get the 7 name of colors. Yes. So, V for violet, I for, yes, Mahfuzur gave the answer, very good. I for indigo, G for B, you missed the B, Mahfuzur, you missed the B. What is the B? What is the color from which starts off V? B. It's blue. Yes, it's blue. Next is G. G for green. G for green. Next, yellow, orange and red. Yes. Next, yellow, orange and red. So, those are 7 colors of rainbow. Yes. And next you can see the night sky. So, the sky is dark during the night. The sky is dark during the night, and we can see, you already told me, that's moon and star. Moon and star. So, you can see a lot of stars. It's uncountable, right? So, if we start counting, it will never be end. So, that's about a lot of stars, but the moon is only one, the moon. So, we can see only moon and a lot of stars at night sky. So, there are many stars in the sky, and they are very far from us, as they are huge. It's and length, its breadth is almost so huge, that those stars, but as they are so far from us, we can see that they are so small. We can see their size are so small, but they are huge in size. As they far from us, we can see they are so small in size. And these stars, you know, stars twinkle at night. You know the rhyme, those twinkle twinkle little star. That's about when the star we see at night, we can notice the stars are twinkling. So, twinkle twinkle little star, right? So, sun is also a star. This sun is also a star. It's also an example of star. So, if we ask what is the name the one star, you can give the example as sun, because sun is also a star. Okay. So, hope you remember it. And from this chapter we learned the sky above us, it's look blue on a clear day. So, in the sky we learned what we can see in the sky. So, sun we can see at in the daytime in the sky, and it is a huge ball of fire. So we get heat and light from sun. So as in this winter season, if we go on the roof or outside of our house, we can get heat, and it's so light, that's why we not needed so extra electricity in the daytime, right? So because sun gives us light and we can see everything clearly, because we know we can see clearly in light, but in the dark we can't see anything. And at night sky, if we discussed at the night sky, that we can see only moon and stars, one moon, a lot of stars in the sky, and those stars are twinkling. As they are little star, we are seeing it's so little, it's so small, but it's not actually, it's so big, it's so huge, as they are so far from us. So that's why we saw it so short, so small, so little. So at night we can see moon and stars and the clear sky, obviously in the clear sky. And sometimes you know about the rainy season. In the rainy season there are too much clouds, and the dark clouds bring rain, and rainy season there are too much rainfall outside of our house. So too much rains outside of our house in the rainy season, the dark cloud bring it, and we can see rainbow. We can see rainbow in those time at afternoon, maximum time at afternoon, and it has 7 colors. 7 colors, and you already told me the name of 7 colors, right? Yes. So we completed this chapter in the sky. So have you understand? Have you any kind of problem from this chapter? Is anything that you can't understand? You can ask me if you have any problem. Okay, so you haven't any problem. Okay everyone, so previously we discussed about means of transport in the offline videos. I made a offline video about the means of transport and about the exercise part also. So have you any kind of problem from this chapter? Hope you all read the chapter means of transport. After the reading, have you anything that you can't understand? You haven't any problem? Okay, so you haven't any problem from those chapter also. Okay, and hope you all saw the science video also. Today I post a science offline video. Please everyone see the video, this science class, about the science class. Next day in online class we will start after this part of which I already post today. Okay, so now that's all. Next class we will start the exercise part of this chapter in the sky. Okay, so till now till that time you have to read this chapter very attentively. That's all for today everyone who are present in the class. Please write here P.